Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all another wash and go on my hair. As you all can see, I am starting off with freshly washed and freshly conditioned hair. And here I am just going ahead and sectioning off my hair because everything works better in sections with natural hair. Today I'll be using the Main Choice Cuticle Control Leave-In as well as the 24 karat gold gel. Now, starting off with the Cuticle Control Leave-In Lotion, you guys, this leave-in, I like the fact that it has a very thick consistency because my hair loves thick products that are able to penetrate my hair strands. And as you all can see right there, it is beginning to clump my curls together. And it was also easy for me to finger detangle throughout the back of my hair with this product. And I usually don't go for a lot of scented products, but I really like the fact that this product, it really smells like roses to me. So it really does give my hair a nice smell, and that is with all of the Main Choice products that I have experienced in the past. Now, of course, before we go in with our gel, I like to break my sections down even further. So now I'm going in with the 24 karat gel, and as you all can see, I focus on my roots and then I add it to the length of the hair. Now I am going to be pretty heavy-handed with this product because I noticed at first I wasn't quite sure if the curls were clumping together. So honestly, you guys, I contemplated on doing a twist out because I just wasn't sure. So even though I wasn't sure about that definition for that back section, I said, okay, let's give it another try. Let's add more water and make sure that the section is completely drenched. Finger detangle and then add some more gel to see if we get different results. And as you all can see, I'm just literally layering the gel up there to make sure that I am minimizing the frizz and really to just get the curls to clump together and get them defined. And you guys, after doing this second section, as you all can see, I still wasn't sure. I'm like, let's add a little bit more gel. Let's see what the curls are going to do with these products. I just wasn't completely certain that it was going to turn out okay. So with a few breaks of those last two sections, I was able to see my curls start to define and start to see them come together. But I do want to tell you all a few things that I really like about the 24 karat gold gel. First and foremost, I like the fact that it really glides onto the hair very smoothly. And I like the fact that it is buildable. And by buildable, I mean that you can add pretty much as you want, just making sure that you're actually working it inside of the hair. And as you all can see here, you can see that the ends of my hair are really curly with that section that I just completed. And I like the fact that it elongates the curls and you can actually see the waves in my curl pattern. And of course, I'm going to repeat this process all over my head. For my sections that I get to at the crown and at the front of my head, I will squeeze the water inside of my hair to make sure that it gets inside of the cuticle before adding the leave-in. And as you all can see, my curls in the crown of my head tend to be a little bit tighter and a little bit coilier, and it does take a little bit more work with detangling in these sections, and I will utilize my wet brush if need be to help detangle my hair before adding the gel. I do like to show you all different parts of me styling different sections of my hair because my curl pattern changes in certain areas, and as said before, I can see different types and different textures all over my head. In the more thicker areas of my hair, I will separate the curls individually so that I don't have like thick curls that are clumped all together. But also just raking through the hair will be help. But sometimes I like to just look at my curls individually and add more definition like that.
Wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. The sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that. Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight.
And here's my hair fully coated in both of those products, and I can say that my hair is defined and it doesn't feel heavy. It feels very lightweight and it feels very, very flowy, which I really, really love for my wash and goes. I did decide to sit up under the dryer to assist with the drying process, and this is what it looks like after drying completely. I am going to use this Do It For The Culture Main Choice Hair Oil. Well, it's really a sheen spray, and I'm spraying it all over my head. It probably would have been best to put it in my hands instead of spraying it out because it came out like a jet, really. So I'm just patting that in. But here are the final results, you guys. As you all can see, my hair is super, super defined and coily, and I didn't experience any flaking, which I was really, really proud about. And that's probably because I didn't mix too many products. And this is without stretching my curls, so I have some length. But I hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful. And as always, I can't wait to see you all in the next one. See ya!